Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, honorable judges. My name is Azzahra Firdaus. I'm from MTS Mardlatillah Singaraja School. On this great occasion, I'd like to tell you a story about the tale of the rainforest. I hope you enjoy it. In the heart of lush and emerald rainforest, a young boy named Kai lived in harmony with the natural world. His home was a humble hut nestled amidst of the towering trees. Their branches is intertwined with each other, so it formed a canopy to shield him from the elements. The gentle rustles of leaves, the melodious chorus of the birds singing, was Kai's companion of childhood. Exploring the rainforest was his usual hobby to do. One day, while Kai exploring the rainforest, he saw a huge cave. He was curious what is inside of that cave. He decided to enter the cave and he explored the cave. As he explored deeper and deeper, Kai was stumbled upon a rock. He fell, but he stood up again. As he stood up, he saw a huge tree, twisted with age, stood tall in front of him. At first, Kai was both frightened and fascinated by the tree. Kai approached the tree. "Wow, this tree looks beautiful," he exclaimed. I wonder how old this tree is." Suddenly, a soft voice replied to his question. "I am the spirit of this rainforest, young one." At first, Kai was startled. He had never heard about a spirit before. Who's there? He looked around, but no one is around him. "I've been watching over this rainforest for as long as anyone can remember," said the spirit. Can you tell me about this rainforest?" he asked. "Of course, little one, I will tell you." Suddenly, a bright shining light shining from the point of the tree. Kai was shocked. A woman with a spirit form shone from the light. "I will tell you," the spirit replied. "This rainforest is a delicate ecosystem, a blend of life and death. Every plant, every creature has their own vital role. Our water, our river streaming, purifying the water, and our soil is rich with nutrition, so it nourishes the plants," said the spirit. As the spirit spoke, Kai felt a deep connection with this rainforest. At that time, he realized that this rainforest is not just about a place, but it's a breathing, living entity that should be protected. I want to help to protect this rainforest too," he declared. "That's a noble goal, young one," the spirit replied. Before she went back to her old tree, she ordered Kai one thing. Remember, conserve water, plant the trees, and reduce your wastes. Don't let this forest get tamed. The spirit ordered Kai before she left to her old tree, and she's gone. From that time forward, Kai dedicated his heart to protecting the rainforest. He learned about the importance of preserving biodiversity, threats posed by deforestation, and the climate changes. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all my story about the tale of the rainforest. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.